Hello everyone and welcome to Bahar Miniature. Today I'm going to address one of the most requested topics: how to neatly cut thick foam blocks without jagged edges. I'm using 20mm high density block craft foam, which is an excellent material for crafting. There are several techniques for cutting thick foam blocks, such as using hot wire cutters. However, in this video, I'll show you how to cut them using a craft knife. Specifically, I'll be using a heavy-duty Alpha L5 knife, which I've reviewed previously and will provide a link to if you are interested. To start, make sure to prepare your knife with sharp and new blade. I've just snapped up the dull segment so the blade is fresh and sharp. You will also need a metal ruler, preferably with a cork back, as it prevents slipping while cutting. The key point to achieving a neat and perfect cut is to maintain the angle of your blade towards the foam block at under 45 degrees. In the other words, keep the blade as close as possible to the foam block. Here, I'm holding the knife at more than a 45-degree angle, using the small tip of the blade. I'm cutting in just 2 passes with too much pressure. And as you can see, the result is a rough cut with jagged edges. Now I extend the blade and keep it as close as possible to the surface, starting to cut with medium pressure. The first cut should just go through and make an impression. For a perfectly neat cut, we need to make a few passes with minimal pressure while keeping the blade close to the surface. And look at the result. Perfect, clean cuts. I hope it was helpful. If so, please consider liking and subscribing for more weekly tips and techniques. Also, feel free to let me know if you have any questions and I'll be happy to create a tutorial for you. Until next time, bye!